laughing.
Yay.
So Mother's Day is right around the corner. So our fun stop this morning is dedicated to Mom. We're going to share how our mothers would react in some random situations. I know my mother would react already. I don't ever see it.
Let me see.
So, good morning, Mom.
Let
I know
me
you're
see.
awake.
First situation.
Which one of my mothers? I have plenty mothers.
First situation. At age 16, I borrowed my friend's car and crashed into a wall.
Oh, gosh. I'm still alive. So, we had a similar situation to that some time ago. And my mom, she was happy that I was fine. She came and she hugged me. She hugged me very tight. She said, "When we reach home, you know problems." And she was smiling the whole time. So everybody was saying, "Oh, she loved him," and she rubbed on my head. And
Yeah.
but
yeah.
when I got home,
Yeah. Yeah, no, yeah. My mother's first response would be if I'm okay.
yeah, man.
Should be if I'm okay.
Yeah, man.
Next response would be, how are we going to pay for the friend's car? How we're going
Friend's
to
parents.
solve that problem? Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what she got to solve them
solve the
two
problem.
things there first.
And
Whether I come out of the house until I'm 40 would be another scenario, but definitely,
yeah, man.
are you okay? Don't worry, it's gonna be fine.
Yeah.
Let's deal with the car, and then afterwards,
Me deal with you.
yeah, yeah, true.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, my sister them would have given me more lip about it than my mother. All right, so that's one scenario. What's the next one? My mother came in and saw dirty dishes in the sink.
Oh, well, for me, this has happened so many times. My mother, she just got tired of it. So she usually comes in and see the dirty dishes, and she probably just don't cook. And if she don't cook, then my sisters will wash the plate. So
Can you
I
spoil?
never had to worry.
Can you spoil?
No. I just never had to worry because I know they wanted to eat, so they'd wash the plates.
So you spoil.
No.
No. My house, them would have share food for everybody else. And say, where your plate? I'm telling you this. The true story. No, but we had a schedule. As I tell my sister, them stricter than my mother, know. We had a timetable, so you know which day is your day
Yeah.
to wash plates.
Yeah, we had that. But
So when I entered Festival Queen, big win National Festival Queen, you know, and come back home. So I was out of the house for a week. Come back home, we win Festival Queen, and my sister said, yeah, because you wasn't here last week and we washed the plate for you. Your name is down to wash plate every day this week. I'm like, who does that? Well, it's supposed to say daily, now that you're Festival Queen, your hand should not go into the soap water.
mud.
No, my love. So my mother now come see no dirty dishes.
That's probably a sister thing, because that's how my sisters are.
No, you wouldn't see no dirty dishes in the sink. If she see them, she'd have probably watched them. My mother can't bother with them drama. What's next?
I start to cry after being reprimanded by my mother. Oh, gosh.
Well, it would depend on what
why
age.
I'm crying. No, it depends on why I'm crying.
Yeah.
Yeah. If she reprimanded me for skipping school and she beat me and I start crying, she'll give me more beating. Me give you nothing to cry for while she'll beat me. That's her favorite, that's her famous line.
Yeah.
Of any Jamaican mother. Me give you nothing to cry for, start beat you.
My mother's not going to hang around for the crying after she reprimand.
No, my mother hung on to
Like we used to go church late, and she keeps, don't go to church yet, don't go to church yet, don't go to church yet. And one Sunday, my mother waited till we dress up in our church clothes. And she said, before you leave, meet me in the back room. Now, anytime she said meet me in the back room, you know, meet me in the back room, I said, meet me in the back room? In our church clothes?
Don't meet her in
What
the
you
back
talk
room.
about? Beat me and said, no, go take off the clothes, and next week Sunday, don't be late for church. But after she beat me, she not stand there and wait to find out why are you crying. She know why we are crying.
No, man. My mother will wait. My mother will snap at the door and just wait for you to start crying.
And then ask you why you are crying.
Why you crying
No,
for?
my mother know why we are crying, but she knows it's coming, so why wait? Yeah.
Let me cry
All
for everything.
right. What's next? I got C's and D's on my latest report card. My mother wouldn't say anything because she wouldn't see the report.
No, my mother would see my report. You talk about how you hide your report. How you hid your report.
I won't say. I'm not giving children any ideas this morning.
No, I couldn't hide my report
But
because they can't hide reports now because everything's online, you know.
well, them time then not so much.
Yeah, mine was on paper. I
People
couldn't
would
hide
come
mine.
and collect the report on yeah.
My teachers called my mother and tell them my grades. I remember the first time I got a C, I was in college, and I thought my mother wouldn't know. But I didn't know that she had access to my online learning. So she called me and she said, "You got a C?" I said, "No, I didn't." She said, "Yes, you did. Why are you lying?" I said, "Mommy, I didn't get no C." She said, "All right." She hung up the phone. She sends me a screenshot of my grades. I said, "You're gone foreign, gone idle. You've been out here, all you get A's and B's, and you're going to get a C?"
And then tell lie.
And then tell lie on top of it. So when I came home, I was
beaten.
21. When I came home this summer, my mother beat me for tell lie. 21 years old.
And mommy him still lie. You never beat him hard enough.
She stopped beating me.
That's why she stopped beating him still.
I come home, she said, "Put out your hand."
C's and D's.
Off of the plane, you know, put out your hand. Stop telling lie.
C's and D's. But in fairness though, she probably would have tried to find out why. Because she know that's not typically me. So she probably say, why are you what would have happened for you to get a C and what would have happened?
My mother never
My
waits.
sister them would have had on me then. My sister them would have, you get C? Eh? Mommy, I gonna kill you. Hey, the siblings are the worst, so not trust me.
They are.
The warning that the siblings give you is
It's
worse than the
beating.
actual punishment.
Always.
Remember me telling you.
Always.
All right, what's next?
Yeah.
I got upset and called my mother by her full name.
I've never done that. I have never done that.
I don't know
No.
if I'd be here this morning.
I have never done that. I can't even think about doing that.
Get upset and call my mother. You mean like our
Name on our birth
name
certificate.
on our birth
Government name,
certificate?
yeah. I've never thought about that. You know, my sister did it once. My youngest sister did it.
She's still with us?
Yeah, man, she's here. Okay. She's still here. But trust me, for a time, we were all fretting.
Now I call my mother by her full name in a fun way. So me say, Enid Harris, what's going on?
I don't even do that.
I'll do that now in a fun way. But get upset? If I'm upset with my mother, I go all I can. I take for myself.
Yeah.
I call my mother her full name?
Like if you
You
check,
know, so my mother is a teacher, right?
my mother's a disciplinarian.
In the days when teacher beat pick me. So her up your son. Her up your son a week. Me not think so.
You know, I remember, I think I was 13 years old, just got to high school, and I came home. You know, you just reach high school, you meet new friends, and come in at the house, and my mother say, "How was school?" I say, "Good." Say, "All right, yeah." I'm say I was yeah, you know. My mom is shorter than me, and she grabbed me and just kicked on my foot. I said, "You boy, you're no man yet." At 13 years old, because I feel like I did reach. You know, so I would never ever think about calling my mother by her full
Get upset
name.
and call my mother by her full name.
I get upset and I'll try to slam my door, like hold the door and go up and just lock it.
You just go sleep
Yeah.
and hold the upset and come
Yeah,
on
man.
her full.
Upset in your bed.
What? And we have another scenario.
That's it?
One that does not include our parents having to
I came home from school with stationery that my parents didn't buy.
Oh,
Yeah.
I would go back to school with
Yeah.
it.
Same time.
Anything you come home
Same
with that
time.
my mother don't know where you get it from,
Same
who
time.
give it to you, even if you explain who give it to you and you can't. Why did they give it to you? Where you go right back with it?
And even if I say the teacher give me, carry it back. Carry it right back. And she not to wait till the next day, you know. I come home and she see something that doesn't belong to me, carry it back.
No,
Go up on the bus, go back to school, carry it back.
Now go stay in the house.
No.
No, so.
She not sleep in the house with it.
All right. What's next? I burnt dinner.
I've never gotten that opportunity.
I think sugar.
I never burned dinner yet.
That's the only way you go and learn.
If I eloped,
I eloped, as in,
yeah. My mother wouldn't be surprised if I did that.
I mean, I think mine would
Yeah,
have first.
she wouldn't be surprised. She'd just be...
Should I say, really?
Yeah, that's all she said. That's all she would have said.
Yeah, should I say, really?
No, if I got fired. My mother was very compassionate, you know. when it comes down to things like that, she'll always try to find a solution. So if I got fired, she'd, comfort me. She'd say, all right, what happened? So she'd help me find a solution. So she won't, yeah.
My mother would say, you gotta go rude to the people. Them not true.
No, but my mother would know. My mother would know why I got fired. My mother would know why I got fired.
Yeah.
She would know.
Yeah.
So.
Should I say, where you gotta go say now?
Mm-hmm.
You gotta go rude to the people. Them? And I said, no.
It's always what me do to them,
And she said, okay. Well, you're not gonna dead for hungry. Your sister them will help you. Which is usually followed by a call from the sisters to say, Mommy say you lose your work. But don't worry, you'll be okay. Because she gonna call everybody, they'll lose their work.
Yeah.
But call her and let her know it's gonna be okay.
Yeah, man. That's her mother.
And Pat say, you're not gonna dead for hungry. And Gail say, you need money. I know you don't like when I ask if you need money. You need money. Yeah. And Michelle said, I'm sorting it out.
Yeah, my mother is...
Good. And my brother now, me dead for hungry. Yeah.
As much as my mother used to beat me a lot, it was a lot of love. And though I can't physically be with her now, love it worlds over. All my mothers, actually, because it's not just one woman raised me.
Yeah.
I was raised by a village.
The village.
Yeah.
That's so much people it take for beat him, because so much trouble him give. When we come back, it's all about PSOJ's COVID-19 response fund. So stay tuned for the details. We'll soon come.
Shauna, this is the last Thursday. Me I come work it there.
Oh, so you say?
Last Thursday.
Where is it?